Hey lovely peoples! Do you want to know how to save Canva as PDF? Don't worry, I am here to help you. Open the Canva app and let's say we are making a presentation. So it's a great idea saving your work as a PDF. It's easily shareable and maintain its high quality. So let's get started. Once the new tab will open, so let me add some templates here. You can add the templates according to your taste. But first thing first, before we create the magic of PDF, let's make sure that your Canva project is masterpiece and you are proud of. Double check the layout, check the text, admire the images and confirm every element has found its right place within your design. Once the project is ready, tap here. Now tap on download. Now tap on file type, which is PDF standard. Select this PDF standard. Now tap on download. So now your presentation is downloading. Once it is downloaded, I will open it for you guys. So congratulations, you have successfully saved your Canva design as a PDF file. Now you can easily share your work with others, print it or use it in various projects. So if the content helped you, leave a like on the video, leave a compliment or a suggestion in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye!